Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to find all feature snippets a website is ranking for. Right, so if you want to find feature snippets, one of the best tools to use is SEMrush. It's a paid tool, but you can try out for free using the link in the description below, and you can get access to SEMrush for 14 or 30 days depending on the current offer. Then all you have to do once you signed up for SEMrush is to open up your SEMrush account. Then on the left click on organic research. Then at the domain name you want to find the feature snippets for, and you can use this for two reasons. The first one is if you own the domain and you want to find feature snippets opportunities. I'm going to show you how to do that. And if you want to find, if let's say this example, so nerdwallet.com is your competitor and you want to find feature snippets that you could rank for, you can also use this report. So once you added your domain, in this example we're going to use nerdwallet.com, we will see a lot of organic SEO metrics here. So as you can see how many keywords this website is ranking for, how much organic traffic they are getting, what is the ratio of branded traffic versus non-branded traffic. But if you want to find the feature snippets of this website, all we have to do is scroll down to the SERP features section, and as you can see here we're going to see this feature snippet, and you can see these SERP features are divided to two parts. So the first one is linking to domain. So this means that in this case nerdwallet.com, which is a financial and investing website, owns this 37.5 thousand feature snippets. So if you want to check out the feature snippet a website is ranking for, you have to click on this, and then we're gonna see all of their feature snippets that they currently own. So they are ranking for these feature snippets results. So as you can see, they are ranking for quite valuable keywords. So how much is car insurance? More than 30,000 searches per month in the US, and they are ranking for that in a feature snippet. So if you are in the finance niche, you can find keywords this way. So let's say your website is not so authoritative yet, then you could add a keyword filter here. So let's say the keyword difficulty is less than 30%, then click on apply, and we're gonna get feature snippets that NerdWallet is ranking for, but that have a low keyword difficulty metric. And based on that, we are likely to also, if we write an article and we optimize our for feature snippets, we might be able to also acquire that feature snippet position. So wait a couple of seconds. And as you can see, there are some good keywords here. So for instance, Delta transfer e-credit to another person, more than 140 volume. The keyword difficulty is only 16. We might be able to rank for these. Alright, so all in all, this is how to find the feature snippets of a website. And I have another tutorial where I also show you how to find feature snippets that you are currently not ranking for, but you have a good chance that you could rank for those feature snippets. And also have other tutorials on how to use SEMrush. As I have mentioned, you can find a free trial link in the description below, and you can try out SEMrush for free.